By the end of the first day, we were able to remove everything from the van except for these strap holders that were around each wall of the van that were used to hold packages for Fedex. And they were just so rusted and stripped, we tried drilling them out. We tried using a rubber band to get traction. We even bought special tools to try and remove the stripped bolt. However, we could not. So we decided to hire a professional, my father-in-law, who has lots of tools and know-how. So he decided to use a crowbar to pry the floor off of the strap holders so that way we could access the underside of the strap holder and the bolt a lot easier. After the floor was completely removed, we used a combination of tools to finish removing the strap holders. The tool you see here is called a Metabo. It is a metal blade that spins very quickly and is very sharp to help cut through metal pieces. I will link all of the tools that we used for this day of our van build in the description below. On this strap holder, we used a drill to loosen up the bolt, and then we used a hammer just to knock the rest of it loose. This is the most stubborn strap holder that we had in the entire van. You see I'm using a chisel and a hammer here, and oh, that had to hurt. Ugh. But he's not going to give up yet. We're going to enlist the Metabo to see if that'll get the job done. And don't forget to wear your safety glasses whenever you're working with power tools. Unfortunately, we did not film the entire process of the removal of the strap holder. However, with the use of the Metabo, the hammer, and the chisel, we were able to get it removed, and by the time we were done with it, it was only a crumpled piece of metal. When we were all done removing the floor and the strap holders, the van was really dirty on the floor, so we enlisted Ken with the shop vac to clean all of that up. Finally, it was time to remove the second half of our divider wall. The first day, Ken and I just started unscrewing different screws and bolts and were able to remove the door and the first half of the divider. However, we did the same thing on this side and we were unsuccessful. So we decided to get some help, and I honestly wasn't paying attention to see how they got this removed. I just know that they did because you can see it coming out right now. So good job, guys. After getting everything removed, there was nothing left to do other than to give the inside of our van a nice bath and to call it a day's work. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to see the rest of our van build.